What's up, guys? I just wanted to make this quick video. I just updated my iPad Pro 2018 iPad Pro to the iOS 12.1.2. Where is that? Right there. I don't know if you guys can see there. Camera needs to focus. There it is. And I'm having issues with the S Pen for some reason. Not the S Pen, I mean the Apple Pencil. Sorry, I'm so used to Galaxy, I said S Pen. But the Apple Pencil, for some reason, there's no feedback whatsoever. It's not swiping. It's not working at all. I can't select anything. I can't swipe anything. I have Bluetooth turned on. Yeah, my Bluetooth is turned on right there. Turn off Wi-Fi. Let's see if I click on one of these artwork or whatever. These are mostly from my 1-year-old. He drew these, but nothing works. So go into Apple Pencil. You know, what is this? Okay. See, nothing works. Nothing works. So I'm a little lost right now. So if anybody has a fix out there, or please hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you have a fix for this, because everything was working fine before, but all of a sudden the Apple Pencil stopped working after the update. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I did something wrong. I don't know. I don't think I did anything, because I didn't do anything. I'm innocent. But yeah, so if you guys have a fix, hit your boy up in the comments. Let me know how to fix this issue. All right, thank you. Peace.